gitari marihi kia Mathomo magathi ya iguru uteithio ureketie gukinyanirio ni honge igire ari hamwe na ruhonge rwa UNICAF hamwe na UNESCO ruma kiuri metikire kuhimbiria miekeno na gutigirira ati ni mamethara niguo makoro makiongerera githomo kiao. Kaunti ya Samburu ni moya kaunti ire koretwo kana yonekanaga na njira nene ukurwete ni irio hakinya ni githomo gukirikana ati riu ndu ni kumateithiriria ari gutigirira ati ni makoro magithoma na ningi gukorwo makigwatira umenyo makiria.
As the UNESCO, we really advocated for the youth to join. The UNESCO really advocated for amongst the youth because we believe education is the weapon that can bring peace, and through that we believe we're going to make Samburu community a better place. We work with the partners, for example, Pastoralist Child Foundation, UNICAF, and the rest of other partners to bring this peace issue at the grassroots level.
We have been engaging them on the issue of child protection issue, FGM, child marriage, and also we are supporting them by providing scholarship to children from this village. We have so far sponsored around 7 students from high school up to university. It's an 8-year scholarship up to university. And also we have managed to support them to give out the cash transfer for around 150 households for around 3 months with the support of UNICEF Kenya.
As we all know, there are a lot of challenges that they go through in terms of, fights of pastoralists fighting for livestock and all those things. And so as an organization, we brought ourselves together with UNESCO so that we can be able to come here, offer dialogues, peaceful dialogues within the community so that they can be able to understand why it is important for them to actually live peacefully within themselves.
Ni kuuma na nduthukanĩrio ya rithathi gatagati ka maabitha a borithi hamwe na imara